Okay, here we go. What's up, everybody? Ty with Hawks Outdoors here, also known as Ty the Adventure Guy, El Mero Mero Aventurero. I want to show you guys something. It is my favorite thing, hands down, that we carry, that I sell. It is the Storyteller hilt. That's what I'm talking about right here. All rhino lined. It's the charcoal cement color. Ain't she beautiful? 42-inch Continentals. It's got all the liquid suspension right there, 7 inches worth of play in the auto leveling system. Obviously sitting on the Ram 5500 chassis. It's got the 6.7 Cummins in it. I like that. I like that. Interior, you got the Ram Laramie package. Look at that computer screen in the front. Then up top, you got your whole leveling system, everything like that. It's a beautiful, beautiful interior. On the outside, you have a full garage, all your storage compartments right here, full pass-through garage, storage, everything that you'd ever need. On the back, you got your big old spare tire here. It's on a lift system. Obviously, you know, even a guy like me couldn't lift this bad boy off. So it'll lift all the way down for you and you can just remove it. Towing hitch, there's the other side of the pass-through. Water hookups. Here's your diesel for your alternative diesel tank. There's your black tank right there. 50 bucks on Amazon, easy to replace if you were ever need to. You can have backups, whatever. That's my favorite thing that they do with all these. There's your 30 amp plug-in for your shore power. Got more storage down here. Now let's go check out the inside. Oh, and not to mention, check out the bumper, 14K winch. This bumper itself weighs like 400 or 500 pounds. Let's check out the inside. Hop up in here. AC is running, all nice and cold. Ooh-wee. This AC feels good, man. Here's your fridge right here, big residential size fridge. You know, it does the job. Got all your cabinets, space right here, and this also doubles as a closet. Little closet hanger up top. You can hang your clothes, whatever. There's shelves in there. This right here folds down into a bed. In this hilt, you have 2 queen size beds. Obviously sleeping 4 to 5 people. You can set up a little table right here for the lounge seating, wraparound seating. I love that. Right behind you is the actual bed. My favorite thing, I've actually been blessed enough to have the experience of sleeping in this. When I slept in here, in the demo model that we had, I would open that window up. You can pop your back up on the back there and look at the stars. You can see everything. Here's your ladder. Here's the pass through to the cab. Ain't that beautiful? Walk right through into the cab. And let me show you the cool part. Right here is your bathroom. Look how big this thing is. So I'm a pretty decent sized guy, 6'3", 220. I've got plenty of standing room. You got your full 360 spin around toilet, and knock out 2 birds with 1 stone. Plenty of room in here, little vent fan. Storage up here for your toiletries, everything like that. Here's your curtain. This is the 2025 Storyteller hilt, guys. You know where to find it. You know where to find me, us, Hawks Outdoors, hawksoutdoors.com. Come check us out. Set up an appointment to come look at this thing. You'll talk to me directly. I can't wait to see y'all. I can't wait to show this. This is my favorite thing in the whole world. Thanks, guys.